Welcome to Intramuros! For tourists looking for a quick travel just here in Manila, Intramuros is just for you. Known as the Walled City, Intramuros features a lot of historical sites that will take you back to the Spanish colonial era. One of the main tourist attractions in this area is Fort Santiago, a 16th century old citadel built by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. The fort highlights a lot of important historical moments during the Spanish Empire, World War II, and the story of José Rizal's last days before he was executed in 1896. If you want to explore the entire area of Intramuros, hop in the Calesa. Your driver can also act as a tour guide and he will give you a lot of knowledge of each of the areas you will pass by. From the oldest universities in the Philippines to some new establishment that keeps that historic touch. Want to explore Intramuros by yourself? Try renting a BAM bike. These bikes are made of bamboos. You can rent them and bike around Intramuros. Besides the historical sites, Intramuros also has cafes that will surely fill up your stomach, like La Cathedral Cafe. This cafe is located on a roof deck overlooking the Manila Cathedral. Perfect for that Instagram shot. Intramuros is a perfect destination for those people who appreciate the Philippine history. Go down memory lane and learn the history within the walls. You will not regret exploring this timeless location, and for sure, you will come back for more.